Next we are going to discuss about exercise 7.2 first question. A 14 meter deep well. So deep well means ஆழமான கிணறு. A 14 meter deep well with inner diameter. Deep well with the inner diameter 10 meter is dug. So and the earth taken out is evenly spread all around the well to form an embankment of width 5 centimeter. So listen, 14 meter deep well they dug from the ground. So we have to listen that this is how to think that this is the ground. They have to dug one deep well. They have to dug one deep well from the ground. Like that only is there, no? This is the ground. This is ground. Here onwards, they have to they have to dig one deep well. So their inner radius, what they are given, that inner radius is 5 meter. The inner radius is diameter they are given. Diameter. So that means total value 10 meter. Then radius is 5 meter. So that length height is 14 meter they are given. So again I will explain. So a 14 meter deep well with the inner diameter 10 meter is dug. Okay, the first part, this is the one ground. From the ground they have to dig one deep well. Okay, the total diameter is 10 centimeter they are given. So what is the radius? Radius is the 5 meter. That height 14 meter height they are given. Okay, so the next and the earth. Earth means nothing. They have to dug the ground. We have to get the soil from the earth. All the soil we have to taken out, evenly spread out, spread out around the well. Evenly spread out around the well. It will make that around the well means what is that? What will come? So see here. Except here this place the hole is there means except this place the remaining places fully they have to spread out the all the soil spread out except this, because this place except this this circle, the remaining place they have to spread all over the soil. Okay, it will form the one embankment. Embankment means nothing as we have to store karai is a Tamil meaning is a karai they are saying, no? So what is the height of the embankment they are asking? What is the height of the embankment? So this one 5 centimeter means this one radius also 5 centimeter. This one radius also 5 meter only. Okay, and the width, this width is 5 meter they are given. So here 5 meter means the width is 5 meter they are given. Again I will explain. From the ground they have to dig the one deep well. That well diameter 10 centimeter they are given. That radius is 5 meter. Okay, from the ground the total well height 14 meter. So the earth and the earth taken out. Earth means nothing. We have to dig the ground. We have to get a lot of soil from the well. All the soil they have to evenly spread out. Evenly, this is the well. Evenly they spread out all around the well. All around the well. Kanatha sutti போடுறாங்க. So what is that? Except this. Here also except this the remaining places how to spread all over the places. It will make that one hollow sphere, one hollow cylinder. It will form the one embankment. Embankment means nothing. So we have to stop the water. We have to ஒரு கரை மாதிரி, அதாவது வாட்டரை வந்து அதுக்கு மேலே இது பண்ணி போக முடியாத அளவுக்கு ஒரு கரை மாதிரி போகிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் எம்பாக்மெண்ட். நீர்நிலையை கட்டுப்படுத்துறதுக்குரிய ஒரு கரை மாதிரி போகிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் எம்பாக்மெண்ட். தட் எம்பாக்மெண்ட் ஹைட் we have to find out. So listen one by one. Here 10 centimeter this height capital H. This is the small h. This is the capital H value we have to find out. Okay, first inner diameter is equal to 10 meter. So inner radius is what? Inner radius r is equal to 5 meter. Okay. Inner height means that well height. Inner height h is equal to 14 meter. So this is the normal volume of cylinder. Normal volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder formula is what? By r square h. By r square h cubic unit. Okay. By value 22 by 7 into r value is what? 5 into h value 14. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. So 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. So 50 into 22. 22 5s are 10. Remaining 1 10 level. Okay. 1100 meter cube. 1100 meter cube. Volume of cylinder is equal to 1100 meter cube. So we have to spread the soil from all around the well. It will make that one hollow cylinder shaped, because we have to spread out all around the well means this is the inner radius. Even one outer radius form also it will make. So inner and outer radius it will make that. What is that? Hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder. What do we have to find out? Volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to by into capital R square minus small r square. So capital R square, listen, this is that this is the inner radius is 5 meter, thickness is 5 meter. So capital R is equal to inner radius plus thickness. Inner radius is 5, thickness also 5, which implies 10 meter. 10 meter. So what is the value? 22 by 7 into 10 square into h also. 10 square minus small r square value is what? 5 square into this one value is what? Capital H. That means that embankment height we have to find out. Embankment height we have to find out now. So volume of hollow cylinder. So listen here. Here a volume of the hollow cylinder we have to find out using that which one? Volume of the cylinder value. Using that volume of cylinder value we have to find out the, because volume of the cylinder, volume of the hollow cylinder both are equal. Why? The earth taken out is equal to the spread. Water all they have to taken out from the earth. That one you have to spread all over the, ground. So volume of the hollow cylinder value and volume of the cylinder value both are equal. Like that we have to assume that and we have to solve that value. Okay. So here you have to write the earth taken out is equal to the earth spread all around. So both are equal. That's the reason only here I will put the 1100. Okay. 1100 is equal to 22 by 7 into 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 into h. So 1100 is equal to 22 by 7 into 75 into h. So h is equal to 1100 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 75 is equal to h. So 122, 2 11s are 22, 1 11 is 11, 0 0, 1 2 is 2, 52s are 100. Okay. So 10 5s are 1 5 is 5, 0. 1 5 is 5, balance to 5 5s are 25. The next 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So what will come? 14 by 3 is equal to capital H. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are, I have to do the division. 14 3. 4 3s are 12. Remaining 2 point, add 1 0. 6 3s are 18. 2 6 3s are 18. So you have to stop it like this. 4.66 4.666 like that, 4.666 like that will come, is equal to h is equal to 4.67. You have to convert 4.67 meter. So the height of the embankment, the height of embankment is equal to approximately 4.67 meter. Okay, 4.67 meter. Thank you, students.